Cloud cover started to thicken. That's been the focus here today, really the transition that we've been in today. And with that, temperatures actually got into the upper 20s, some touching 30. That's the first time for a lot of West Michigan since last Thursday. And this is the warmest we're going to get for the rest of this work week. Now clouds again continuing to give way to overcast skies. I think the satellite imagery is messed up here in the last 45 minutes or so, but it is all overcast here in West Michigan. And again, only continuing to thicken up. It's not only just lake effect clouds, but there are some high clouds in the upper levels as well. So we're not going to be seeing any sunshine in the next 24 to 36 hours. Lake effect snow again has started to the north. Expect that to trickle down to the south. There is a weak front, but the front is doing just enough to drive in another round of cold air and cold enough to support the lake effect snow. So these bands here in West Michigan will set up again mainly west of US 131. There will be at times when snow does trickle inland into parts of Kent, Berry, and Kalamazoo County, but it is not going to be significant here. A lot of this snow in terms of 3 to 4 inch snowfall totals will be between Holland, the city of Allegan, and that South Haven triangle along 196, as well as some other opportunities north of Muskegon. But if you're from Grand Haven to Holland, again, there's going to be that little pocket there because of Lake Michigan's shape. Well, it's going to impact those numbers just a little bit. So Hart, again, the potential for that 5+, and then some isolated areas south of Holland as well. Inland, widespread 1 to 2, but the timing of it is not going to be impactful. It's going to be a slow progression in terms of total accumulations inland. As for our winds, along the lakeshore, 10 to 15, and southwest of Grand Rapids, that little window there could be breezy. But Kalamazoo, Grand Rapids, Greenville, Hastings, it's 5 to 10 miles per hour. That's the reason that that snow is not going to push very far inland here and why it's going to be an immediate lakeshore event. All right, we're talking temperatures, 28 on Thursday last week. Again, that's matching our afternoon high today in Grand Rapids. And the 1st of January, the only day with temperatures above freezing and above normal. Now, our rainfall, or yes, you correlate that to total precip with all of it being snow, we're at about 0.2 of an inch right now, 1/4 inch. And with that, we're going to stay in all snow chances here as temperatures are in the mid to upper 20s, 28 Kalamazoo, 29 in Holland. Great news for our ski resorts in the area. We haven't had this kind of consistent cold this long in a while. And you pair it with the right snow. It's been a pretty good season so far, especially since early December. All right, Wednesday, that's when we see the coldest air stick around. A gradual warm up as we head towards the weekend, but then another reinforcing cold air mass come the middle of the weekend. So we are not losing sight of the cold air anytime soon. Overnight lows slowly warm back into the 20s at times, but we have no afternoon highs getting above freezing and more snow chances starting Friday after a little sun on Thursday.